Bark Freelance Work Honest Review Watch before using. Finding freelance professionals can be stressful, and most people get this wrong. They rely on random searches or social media referrals. Bark is a platform that connects clients with local and remote professionals across services like photography, marketing, tutoring, and more. The surprising truth is that it offers leads, vetting, and messaging in one platform. You won't believe how easy it is to hire the right professional quickly. Here's how it works. Clients post a project or service request, and Bark sends the request to relevant professionals. Professionals respond with quotes, and clients can compare, chat, and hire directly. For example, if you need a wedding photographer, Bark can match you with multiple candidates who meet your location, availability, and budget requirements. Another advantage is verified reviews and ratings. Most people assume all leads are equal, but Bark highlights top-rated professionals, making selection faster and safer. However, there are considerations. Professionals pay per lead, which can affect pricing. Most people assume all responses are instant. Response times depend on availability and interest. In conclusion, Bark simplifies finding and hiring freelance professionals, offering convenience, verified options, and direct communication. It's useful for businesses and individuals seeking reliable service providers. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of freelance and service platforms.